Oh, guess who's back? My buddy JoJo. Hey, so my buddy Paco came by earlier and we were just hanging out, chilling, chopping it up. Again, lost some daylight, but the car is in its final stage. It is being waxed, applied on right now. I got 10 minutes before I remove it. And a bird just shitted on my fucking roof. You serious? I just... Anyways, Paco left. I applied the wax, and then Joe showed up, and he surprised me with this gaming mouse right here. And this is the new Mother's clay bar pad thing right here. And this little pad right here is good up to 20 cars, if not more, depending on how bad the car surface is. Bro. So my mom came out and she was all like, son, you got to do the whole car now. God damn it. Damn it, Joe. You see what you did? But yeah, so right here, I polished along the line of the hood this way. And you can see Joe, look, you can see him clearly. Now he showed me that he dunked this in the dirt right there. And the beautiful part between this and the clay, you can just spray water or cleaner and it'll come right back off, and then you can reuse it. Now with the clay, normally when you get it stuck onto the floor, that clay bar is done, because that thing will get caked up in there, and then it will destroy your paint, because all those particles will scratch into the paint when you try to reuse it after hitting the floor. So with this pad right here, you spray it off, and spray me too, it's all good. It comes right off, and then you can go right back to sanding the clear on the car. So I know a lot of you guys had recommended this in the comment section, and it just so happened that Joe, you know, works in a place where he gets this all the time, and he got me one today, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. So I'm using a brand new microfiber towel, and I'm wiping off the wax sealant. Yo, dude, this is amazing. The final product here. This is like the what do you call it? The
final reveal?
No, this is the satisfying part right here.
Oh yeah,
bro, look at this. This paint. Oh my god. Fuck that bird poop.
Look at those moldings. Crispy.
I wish I could spend more time to fix all the quarter panel rust and everything, but like I said, dude, this part's just, it has to go. I don't want...
I can't. That reflection though.
I can't...
Let me step back so you guys actually see this.
Wow, right here, dude, this
GoPro, I hate to say it, does this paint no justice.
None.
I mean, this car's old. Yes, it's been repainted, but I must say it's smoother than some of your girlfriend's skin, I'm sure. But it is nice.
I can smooth your girlfriend's skin for you.
Yeah.
Look at all that swirl marks. I don't give a damn, dude. I should be happy I haven't put hours into refreshing this paint. You know what I mean? So A for effort. You gotta appreciate it. Like, I could have just sold this car as dirty as it was, but I wanted the next owner to
now wait till he wipes this.
At least have a nice clean car. Oh my god. You ready for the quarter?
Let's do it.
Oh my god.
Bumper looks good. Now see,
bumper.
This is with a nice application, already been hit with the pad.
Ready? Here we go.
Sir.
Here we go. Now you can see right here how old the paint is. See how little paint cracks? That's how old this paint is. But you guys also see the shine. So we definitely revived this old ass paint. the Sudsbox compound for such a basic compound to use.
Look
This
at
is the type of result you can get.
Look at the difference here.
Look, let me go straight down right there. I want to keep going. Yo, what's going on, you guys? So it is a new day, and I had great chilling again with Joe yesterday. He came over after work and surprised me with this Mother Speed Clay 2.0, and I know a lot of you guys in the comment section was telling me to get this, but you know, Joe surprised me first with it right here, and this thing is beautiful. Like, I'm not sure if I mentioned in the last clip, this right here, if you drop it, you can just rinse it right off and reuse it. Now the old Mother's Clay Bar kit is using a clay, and once you drop that, you can sit there and pick it with a tweezer or throw it away. So this thing right here is dope. It has a nice little pad, like a mouse pad, to, you know, have full grip of this pad while, you know, going through your car's paint. And this is good for like 20 plus cars, depending on how bad the car surface is. And this just made the work so much more easier and so much more convenient over the clay system. So we were hanging out, we lost track of time. It's been a while that I've you know, been able to do something like that. So thank you, Joe, for your company, man. Again, I am looking forward to your fishing trips. I'm excited to catch me some fat ass bass. So I didn't really get to show you guys yesterday the paint job after the Sudsbox seal, and it's already dirty today because the dirt, but definitely looking a million times better than what it was before. The goal that I am trying to do today is at least clear the carbon fiber hood. So I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna sand it down. This hood is so bad it needs another layer of gel coat, but I'm just gonna shoot clear on it because that is all I have. And in hopes of getting this to be nice and dark so it can kind of blend in with the body, and hopefully the carbon fiber would somewhat come back out and has that 2-3D effect that carbon fiber does. I'm not sure I'm gonna get to the bumper today, but if I don't, I'll make a video of me sanding the bumper down and try to blend some black into it before clearing the whole bumper, so that way the whole bumper is going to be shiny with the rest of the car. And we did go to the post office. We have 2 packages right here, and we're going to open this with you guys and see what we have. Man, the gel coat on this hood is so bad that when you lay the clear down, it looks like it's dry carbon. You see that? That's the weave, not the gel coat, the weave. You can see all that texture. But I'm on my second coat and I'm laying it down super thick so that way the clear can like level itself out into that texture and become smooth like this. But I just ran out of clear, so I'm gonna wait this to dry, and then I'm going to bomb some more clear on it. So I found my mask and I wore it this time around because clear coat automotive paint, it's really bad for you. So I dug for it so you guys wouldn't roast me, and I wore it this time around. So I ran out of hardener, and I was only able to bomb 3 clear on it, and I wanted to lay down more. I got a lot of the not cracks, the textured portion of the hood mostly filled in, so it looks really nice and smooth. But up there, there's still some remaining, but no big deal. For the most part, the majority of the hood is looking really nice and solid, so that's all that really mattered. It's a ton better than what it was before, so I'm grateful for that. I'll put the hood on when it's all like completely dried to the feel. Right now it's dried, but you know, it's still, some areas are still tacky, and show you how that looks. But right now I'm going to open up these packages we picked up for the PO box this morning and see what we have. I'm just gonna open it over here away from the music and in the shade, as well as where this guy's sleeping. What's up, B? So this one right here I picked up a few days ago, and I've had it sitting in the CRX for a little bit, and today I picked up the other one. So we're gonna open them together and see what we have. So this one just has an initial C Harbat. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce that, but whoever sent this to me, I appreciate it. More cassettes. Let's check out the note first. Too Young Static, thanks for all the constant inspiration. Here's some jams for the whip, your fellow Honda homie. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. And I'm not sure if that's a heart or not, but thank you for that too. I have this fancy tape case, and we have a tape inside that has some crazy looking tag on it. Mid-Air, that's what it says. If you guys want to check them out, soundcloud.com/mid_air. And I'm going to assume that's his name, and I'm going to assume that's his mixtape. Really nice looking sticker right here. Mid-Air with the piano. I'm going to assume as well you play your own instrument. Now my cousin does SoundCloud as well. He's pretty good at what he does. Osaka Racing Team 1985. I appreciate that, man. I'm definitely going to find a nice spot to stick that sticker to, and I'm going to put that sucker back in the case in a minute here. This one right here, Midnite Alliance. Check it out right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, Midnite Alliance. Cool. It is a t-shirt. I support y'all like y'all support me, so I appreciate you guys for reaching out and shooting me a t-shirt in my size. That's freaking awesome. 3XL. Dude, the shirt quality feels really great. It's in my color too, navy, and makes me want to get back into drawing. Like, that's pretty cool. This is my first or second EF shirt. Like, this is awesome, man. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you for sending out a t-shirt of an EF, which is obviously what my channel is all about. Midnite Alliance, guys, I'm definitely going to put their link in the description. Check out some of the shirts. I know they got some S2Ks, some DCs, other chassis for the most part. Everything will be in the description below. So for Mid-Air and Midnite Alliance, thank you guys for the merches. Man, I just did the windows and it looks like a brand new car. Not brand new, but definitely a lot better than when I first picked it up. So got the carbon fiber hood kind of resting on here. I'm not sure if I want to lay another thick layer of clear tomorrow when I go buy some hardener, because today I was supposed to put clear on my uncle's hood as well. I painted that red a long time ago but never cleared it. I don't know why, but I'm supposed to be doing that tomorrow. Not sure if I want to put more clear on this one, so it's just chilling here right now. But if I was to get that right there thickened up, it'll look just like that. Beautiful. Now you can see all that dirt particles in there too, but that's just what I have to deal with when you have a big ass yard of dirt. Anyways, so I want to show you guys the glass here. Passenger door, crispy. Passenger quarter, crispy. And then the driver's side quarter, crispy. Joe did this one yesterday, and I just did the hatch glass. Look how clear it is from the inside. Boy, that is the first time I've seen glass this clear ever at this house. My cars aren't even that clear. I think I'm gonna have to do it too now, but wow, night and day difference. So I don't want to carry this video on too long. This car is almost ready to rock and roll, guys. Probably just gonna pick up some Fat Fives, throw some tires on that, slap it onto the car so we can have some matching rollers. And I just need to find an A6 OBD0 distributor, because I currently still have my B16 VTEC distributor in here that I'm not gonna sell with the car. And once we can get the car on the ground, drive it around, make sure everything's cherry, and find a battery, we will officially put this car up for sale so we can further move into the H22 Turbo. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's content. I'm loving the car. Smack that like button if you guys do too. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.